taking care of people versus taking care of equipment.
Norberto Cruz speaks to his philosophy as a maintenance supervisor for the Texas Civil Commitment Center in Littlefield, Texas.
You want to be able to figure out why it happened or what broke and how to fix it. But ultimately, your goal is to have it running and keep it running, especially if you can make it so they never knew it was broken.
He's just, he's so proficient. No matter what you ask him to do, he does it. He'll come down if it's, it's just something minor. We got these issues. Oh, I can take care of it, sure. It's always sure, that's his main word. But he's always more than willing.
Assistant Facility Administrator Angelina Johnson remembers a time when Norberto's willingness led to a confrontation with a snake.
And he had a big bull snake, and he picked the snake up with his hand. And the snake bit him. The snake bit him. And I said, okay, well, how'd you get the snake loose? He said, well, I had to get my other hand and lift him. And I'm at that point, I just want to pass out. I mean, it doesn't matter where it is. If there's a snake, he's going to get the snake. It doesn't matter what it is. So he's awesome.
As part of his job, Norberto works with residents who are part of the maintenance crew.
And I've had several that had no clue what they were doing when they first joined. And come to find out later that they were good at it. And they discovered it themselves. And that kind of gives us pride that they left here learning something from one of us or from all of us at the same time, And that's a good feeling.
When not at work, Norberto enjoys watching movies, going out to dinner, and spending time with his family. He also likes to read and fly his drone. When it comes to his job and the work accomplished, he passes credit to his staff.
And I have to recognize my team, Freddie Sierra and Christopher Solis. They're the backbone to this operation. My team is great. I mean, they deal with me, so they have to be great,